So I often talk about the benefits of getting outdoors, obviously physically because you're doing some exercise, but also to de-stress, so mentally, mindfulness, coming out, looking at the sights and sounds of the great outdoors. So it's something to practice on your walk. Sometimes you can be in a world of your own, but if you really tune into your surroundings, the sights, sounds, colours, shapes of the environment that you're walking through, you turn your walk into almost a mindfulness exercise, and it's a nice escape when things are busy. For example, this time of year, just to come out. So there'll be no more talking on this video, and I've kept it to a minimum because we are enjoying a mindful walk in the outdoors.